5 psychological hacks to make him chase you. Welcome back, ladies. Are you tired of constantly pursuing men and wondering why they never seem to show genuine interest? Well, today is the day we turn this scenario upside down. In this video, we will reveal 5 powerful psychological hacks that will make him chase you instead. Get ready to learn the secrets to becoming irresistible and making a man truly obsessed with you. Let's dive in. Number 1. The power of confidence. Use your body language to your advantage. A confident woman is incredibly attractive, and your body language plays a key role in exuding that confidence. Stand tall, maintain an open posture, and use direct eye contact when engaging with him. This signals that you are sure of yourself and radiate self-assurance. Remember, confidence is magnetic. Number 2. Create a sense of mystery. Don't give away all your secrets. Men love a good mystery, so don't reveal everything about yourself too soon. Keep him intrigued by maintaining an air of mystery. Share bits and pieces about your life, interests, and experiences over time, allowing him to discover more about you gradually. This not only keeps him captivated, but also makes him appreciate the depth of your personality. Number 3. The art of playful teasing. Make him work for your attention. Teasing can be a powerful tool to make a man chase you. Playfully tease him and create a sense of challenge. Don't give him all your attention immediately. Make him work for it. This creates a sense of pursuit and triggers his desire to win you over. Remember, the chase can be just as fun as the destination. Number 4. Utilize the scarcity principle. Create a sense of exclusivity. People value what is rare or hard to obtain. Use the scarcity principle to make him chase you. Don't always be readily available. Make yourself scarce at times. This does not mean playing games or being manipulative, but rather showing him that your time and attention are valuable. It ignites his drive to earn your presence and ensures he values every moment with you. Number 5. Focus on self-improvement. Be your best version. One of the most effective ways to make a man chase you is by focusing on self-improvement. Seek personal growth, develop your passions, and invest in your well-being. When you prioritize your own happiness and fulfillment, you become a magnet for others. Becoming the best version of yourself not only makes you irresistible, but also ensures you attract the right person who appreciates and admires you for who you truly are. Well, there you have it, ladies. 5 powerful psychological hacks that will make him chase you and become truly obsessed. Remember, these techniques are based on understanding human psychology and tapping into a man's subconscious desires. By using the power of confidence, mystery, playful teasing, scarcity, and self-improvement, you can flip the dynamics and effortlessly make him chase you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more relationship tips, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and good luck in your pursuit.